What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to do a comparison, a compare and contrast of two popular cryptos. Two cryptos I'm bullish on, Quant and Chainlink. I see a lot of competition out there. A lot of people saying, this one's better, this one sucks, but this one's saying this, all this like nonsense out there. Crypto is very cutthroat. If you haven't noticed that by now, you should notice it probably now, right? We see a lot of FUD out there, which is fear, uncertainty, doubt. You see a lot of manipulation. You see a lot of competition. Every crypto is trying to reinvent the wheel, say, we're a better version of this, we do this, we're better than this, and this one sucks. And a lot of communities form behind a lot of this manipulation and FUD. And some go very heavy into it where they're emotionally tied to a particular crypto, and then when you try to give them a different opinion, they freak out, whatever. I've seen it all. I've seen it literally happen with every crypto. We have very strong communities. Some are more toxic than others. You guys can probably figure out for yourself which ones are more toxic. However, if you have limited funds, which I'm assuming you do because you're a retail investor like me, you probably work another job outside of here like I do. I work a job, I'm working tomorrow. I'm working overtime tomorrow. It's crazy. I work so many hours. I had one day off this week. It's ridiculous. But that being said, right, let's just say you have to pick one and you're looking for, which one's the better vehicle for you. That's how you have to look at these investments, by the way, moving vehicles. So let's go over price action, tokenomics, and then we'll go over utilities. So Quant right now is $100, 101, give or take. It's a 1.2 billion market cap. It's got a little less than 15 million total supply. They have 81% or 12 million in circulation. Their trading volume is down. A lot of people are fudding it right now. Quant's focused on the interoperability space, which is where Chainlink also lies. Its overledger network is meant to connect and merge VLTs. This brings, like I've said before, scalability, convenience, security, and activity, right? Developers can use it. Developers would love it. Institutions can utilize this mergeable DLT technologies to do what they have to do. Retail can utilize it for their needs, whether it's smart contracts, NFTs, dApps, whatever. Quant is also working with the ISO cryptos. It's working with banks and CBDCs, which a lot of people hate. I totally get it. Quant, though, I'm not looking at it from that point of view. I'm looking at it from an investment point of view. Less than 15 million total supply. It was $428 last bull cycle. A lot of people said a price action sucks for Quant, but Quant's only a 4x down from previous all-time high. Most of your altcoins are down much further, 8, 10x or more in some cases. So I always say zoom out, right? But yeah, Quant is focused on the interoperability standpoint, and it's basically going to connect a lot of DLTs. So if you believe in multiple DLTs existing, coexisting, and thriving, that's just where Quant comes in. So let's go see where Chainlink is. And by the way, I'm bullish on Chainlink, but I don't hold a position into it. Doesn't mean I won't get it. I would like to get a position into it. It's just I kind of forgot about it, and then I saw it run up. So, I'm kind of like just waiting to see what happens. But let's find Chainlink. I'm looking for it right here. Okay, Chainlink. $14, $7.5 billion market cap. So it is 7 times larger than Quant. Previous all-time high was, I think, $53. Let me just check right here. Yeah, $53. It's roughly a 5x down, give or take. Trading volume is 530 million, which is definitely significant. They have 1 billion total supply, which is obviously a lot larger than Quant's. They have 56% or 556 or 57 million in circulating supply. So the inflation is higher than Quant. The tokenomics are worse than Quant. However, tokenomics on everything, okay? So Chainlink is a decentralized oracle, and in my opinion, really has no competition when it comes to the oracle nature in crypto. A lot of companies are using Chainlink or are looking to use Chainlink, right? And Chainlink has a very niche utility that you need for a crypto company, right? It helps the off-chain data come onto the on-chain, these blockchains. It helps maintain the accuracy on these blockchains, especially when it comes to price, like NFTs and making sure everything is legit. Like, you don't want to buy an NFT and then someone manipulates the price to be $10,000. You buy it and all of a sudden you see it $10 later, right? You would get wrecked. So Chainlink brings a level of security which is similar like Quant, but it doesn't merge DLTs. DLTs can utilize Chainlink and utilize their decentralized oracles for their ledgers to help the off-chain come onto the on-chain. If you want to see a connected future, a more adoptable future for crypto, Chainlink is essential, in my opinion. Their business model is essential. Like Quant, I also believe. So now the question may lie, Chainlink or Quant, which one's better? And let's just say you have, I don't know, $5,000 to invest. So $5,000 for, we'll say Chainlink is $13. Let me see what the math is right here. I'm going to do this on camera. Let's see. So 5,000 divided by 13 gives you 385 Chainlink. And 5,000 for Quant divided by 100 gives you 50 Quant. So we'll round it up roughly. 400 Chainlink versus 50 Quant. Which one is the better buy, in my opinion? Now, I'm going to try to be not biased because I do just hold Quant and not Chainlink. However, I actually like Chainlink's utility a lot. I like a decentralized oracle network, especially when it relates to blockchains. However, my huge draw to Quant and why I've been buying it for so long is because it's very scarce. I like their business model, I like their Vernian, and their tokenomics are great. They have less than 20% inflation, 70% allocated to the public. I don't know what Chainlink's allocation is. I'm assuming it's definitely not 70%, but let's see if I can find it here real quick before I give you guys my overall answer. So Chainlink has 30% to the company, 35% to node operators in the ecosystem, so 65%. Public token sale, 35%. So they have literally half of what Quant has to the public. So that is something to take note of. Doesn't make Chainlink's a scam, obviously not. It's up massively in the past month. I think it's up, 85% in the past month. But when it comes to the tokenomics and the allocation, you're going to see more selling pressure for Chainlink when the bull run comes in full effect versus Quant. It reflects in the price chart as well, despite Quant being relatively quote-unquote poor performing right now. But let's just say you're brand new, you have to pick one. It's very close. I would still take Quant first. However, if you had funds to do both, I would say 50-50. Okay, because I really do like Chainlink. In fact, I might actually add Chainlink to my portfolio soon. I was just talking to my brother about this. But if I had to pick one, it would be Quant for the tokenomics, the reduced inflation, their business model, and the higher sale to the public, which I like more of a fair launch to the public. Even though they both had ICOs, I think Quant is in a better position when it comes to making profits. However, when it comes to utilities, specifically utilities in relation to the overall market, I think Chainlink is a little more essential because the off-chain to the on-chain, this connectability, this price accuracy is so huge from a consumer trust standpoint and scalability standpoint and also security that I just don't see Chainlink not being used to a high extent. Quant merge and DLTs is still huge, still needed, but I think Chainlink is just a little more important when it comes to mass adoption. But when it comes to purely an investment standpoint, I do expect Chainlink to have a little more selling pressure. However, I am super bullish on both, and if you have the funds, not financial advice, I would encourage you to go 50-50 into both. So maybe that's 25 Quant and 200 Chainlink. Those are both solid bags in my opinion. Definitely good blue chip utility cryptos. And I think both are going to make new all-time highs this bull cycle and are definitely worth adding to your watch list and looking into. By the way, if you want to reach out to me, talk to me, see when I buy crypto like this, sell crypto. If you want to be a part of a support group where I do voice chat hangouts, I literally just did one before I started making this video. We had 30 people show up. It was awesome. And I will be doing live streams in 2024, less than 2 months for Discord. Or if you want to run your portfolio by me, where I can give you my direct feedback or be in a position to take profits, be a part of a support group of all like-minded investors, all trying to be financially free. then feel free to join the Patreon and Discord. I'll leave a link in the pinned comments down below. It would be awesome to see you there. But anyways, now I want to hear from you. Which one of these two would you pick? Chainlink or Quant if you could only pick one? And what is your main reason for picking this crypto? Drop your comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like. Really helps so much. That being said, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.